sing with Nkanyiso or whatever he wants us to do. We're going to sing quickly and then we will see you in the afternoon.
Sanibonani. Ngiyanibingelela igama lami Nkanyiso Ngcobo from Isenziwe. Yeah, abanye bangazi kwisenziwe. Okay, I don't know if niyazi le ngoma lena ethi ikhona yawo emthimbeni omkhulu ebukhosini buka nkulunkulu ngena indawo isekhona. Eish, yazi ngiyabona ukuthi abazalwane abayazi le ngoma. Asambeni ikhona indawo emthimbeni omkhulu, yes, ebukhosini buka nkulunkulu ngena. Disappoint. Isekhona. Okay, noma mhlawumbe sivele sishintsheke manje. Sivele sithi I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back. Oh, no turning back. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. I have decided to follow Jesus. No turning back. Oh, yeah. No turning back. Okay, I don't know if Niazle. Tina silinde lusu oluku awlokubuya kuka Jesu olapha bangcwele beyothweswa imiqhele. Hallelujah. Oh yeah, gintogo yokwasana awu nayo Jesu othina siselapha. Culani. Oh yeah. Asam. Tina silinde lusu oluku awlokubuya kuka Jesu olapha bangcwele beyothweswa imiqhele. Hallelujah. Oh yeah, nginthokoza yokwasana hey nayo Jesu othina siselapha. Ha. Oh yeah. Hey, oh yeah. Yes, it's webangcwe ikhona injabulo ibekelwa makhawe ibekelwa bangcwele sishone zembatho awuzona ezimhlophe zona zigcolekile. Hallelujah. Awuyeki intoko yokwasana hawu naye uJesu othina siselapha hey oh yeah hey oh yeah yes it's webankwe ikhona injabulo ibekelwa makhawe ibekelwa bangcwele sishone zemba awuzona esimhlophe zona zikholekile haleluya awuyeki intokozo awu yokwasana awu naye uJesu othina siselapha hey injabulo iyabangcwele iyabangcwele. Ngiyabonga.